In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automated daily contract monitoring and negotiation workflow with AI. We'll begin by setting up an automatic kickoff. Add a schedule trigger and select the preset labeled Daily Contract Monitor. Set it to run every day at 6 a.m. This ensures the workflow wakes up consistently to check your contracts without manual effort. Next, add a set node named Workflow Configuration. Here, define the key variables your workflow will use across nodes. Contract API URL, Financial System, API URL, Expiration Threshold Days, and Pricing Anomaly Threshold. For example, set Expiration Threshold Days to 90 and Pricing Anomaly Threshold to 15. Storing these in one place keeps everything maintainable and easy to update later. Now fetch your contract data. Add an HTTP request node called Fetch Contract Data. Point the request URL to Workflow Configuration. First, .json, Contract API URL, or contracts, and include a query parameter of status set to active. This pulls only active contracts from your contract management system. It's time to analyze. Add an AI agent named Contract Analysis Agent and configure its prompt to review the incoming contract list for contracts expiring soon, pricing anomalies, renewal risks, and any other contract issues. Then, connect an OpenAI chat model node using the GPT 4.1 mini model to power the agent's reasoning. To keep results clean and reliable, add an output parser called Contract Analysis Output Parser. Define fields like contract ID, vendor name, issue detected, severity, expiration date, pricing, change, recommendation, and requires action. This schema ensures consistent, structured output you can route downstream. Add an IF node to check whether issue detected equals true. If true, the workflow will continue into negotiation. If false, we'll simply log that no issues were found. For negotiations, add another AI agent called Negotiation Agent. Configure it to analyze contract risks, recommend negotiation strategies, compare market rates, estimate cost savings, and draft vendor communications. Connect another OpenAI chat model node with the GPT 4.1 mini model. Then parse its output with a negotiation output. Parser using fields such as negotiation strategy, market rate, competitive alternatives, leverage factors, estimated savings, recommended action, and timeline. Translate those recommendations into dollars and cents with a financial impact agent. It should calculate annual contract cost, projected cost, ROI, CapEx versus OpEx impact, and payback period. Connect a third OpenAI chat model node using GPT 4.1 mini and parse the results with a financial impact output. Parser defining fields like current, annual cost, projected annual cost, net savings, savings percentage, CapEx impact, OpEx impact, ROI, and executive summary. Finally, update your planning system. Add an HTTP request node called Update CapEx OpEx Plans. Set it to post, and point it to Workflow Configuration. First, JSON Financial System. URL. Budget, update, sending the financial analysis payload. If no issues were found, log it with a set node named No Issues. Log status, setting status to No Issues Detected, message to Contract Analysis Completed, timestamp to the current time, and contract ID to the relevant ID.